That final Year 12 English assessment looms, the one that asks you to be both a creative writer and a sharp analyst. The secret isn't a random spark of genius. It's about strategic, purposeful textual manipulation. It's about proving you understand a text so well, you can take it apart and rebuild it into something new. So, how do you do it? First, choose your approach. You could transform a dry news article about refugees into a deeply personal narrative, swapping objective facts for evocative language to create empathy. Or you could retell Frankenstein from the creature's perspective. Imagine his intelligent, lonely voice finally taking center stage. This isn't just being creative, it's using a perspective shift to critique the original creator. Other options? Change the genre, update the context. Each choice is a strategy. Next, the justification. Don't overthink it. This is simply you explaining your blueprint. It boils down to 4 questions. What did I make? Why did I make it? How did my knowledge of the original text guide me? And what were my most important creative decisions? Under exam pressure, simple templates can be a lifesaver. I employed this technique to create this effect, which serves my purpose by, it's clear, direct, and analytical. In the exam, remember the priority list. Completeness first, then clarity, then evidence. Polish is a luxury. A finished, competent response is better than a perfect, unfinished one. This isn't about hoping for the best. Your confidence comes from practice, from knowing your strategies, and from trusting your preparation. You've done the work. Now it's time to show it.